you will see the mobile PCB, and I remove this IC, no, this charging connector. Okay, let us start the removing charging connector. First remove the keypad and then heat. First connect to the power. You will see here that is on, and I will heat 1 to 2 minutes, and the charging pin is removed. Just take some time. You will see the power on, and I hitting the charging port and remove it. It is heat, and I check. See the result. The charging pin is come out, and clean it. Okay, and this is aluminium steel tweezer, and I connected to the body, not socked, but you made this. Please carefully check this, and you will see the red hot. See in the inside, it is very hot. See the red. Okay, I will remove this IC. Just wait only 1 to 5 minutes and remove this IC. The first video on SMD hitting, handmade.